In this video, we explain when and how to use a booster for your model railway. A booster provides more power to the model railway when many locomotives or even carriages with lighting are rushing over the layout. This is the next stage of expansion for larger layouts, providing more power than a track box of the mobile station with a power supply can offer by default. A central station 3, or even a second, for example, an older central station 2, can already be used as a booster and additional power supply on the layout. You can check the current power consumption of your system at any time on the display of the central station, either in idle or normal operation. However, under no circumstances should you connect additional power supplies, track boxes, or old transformers to the track. There is no booster for the mobile station 2 as there is for the larger central station. Here, the only solution is an upgrade from a mobile station to a central station, which has significantly more power. And if that's still not enough, then the central station can also be upgraded with a booster. This can be connected directly to the back of the CS3. A booster supplies its own isolated power circuit with power, and the digital signals are synchronized with the central station via the booster. This means that the information sent to the layout is the same everywhere. It's just that the locomotive, which switches from one power supply area to another, gets power once from one and then from the other supply area. That's why it's very important to isolate the track sections, because there must be no double power on a single track section. For this purpose, you use these center conductor insulators, which are simply clamped between the tracks for insulation. Here you can now see a rail that is powered from both sides, but this rail is insulated in the middle. This way, nothing stands in the way of expanding the layout.